Hello, welcome to another Dams TV, and thanks for tuning in and watching another episode. Today's episode, we've come all the way under, should say, the Wallasey Tunnel to the Wirral. Where's the music? I've turned the music off, Dom. Right, so this is the job. Let me just show you quickly what's going on. Easy job, really. I know we've had a drive. We've took us about an hour and 20 minutes, but never mind. But the job is easy. We should have it rackled off for about 5:30 today. Right. So this customer, we are doing, in the future, we're going to do this roof here. There's a guardian roof going on there. So he's had this set of bifolds thrown in. And it's left it like this. Now the customer was thinking we could just patch that. And we could just patch that, of course we could. But I think it would look better and it'd be a far better job if we just redab the set of reveals and skim new beads on and skim the whole wall. Because, two reasons really, you're going to have to fill that with something, either bonding or floating or browning or hardwall or whatever you've got on the van, or even try and stick a strip of board in. But it could take ages to dry and that'll crack. You could scrim it, but it could still crack. It's not as bad because it's not an opening and shutting door, it's a bifold, but with the banging usually, things crack. So what I'm going to do is just throw some beads on, throw some boards on, rebead it, and then just skim it. And I have actually got some fast set plaster in the van, which there's enough. I've got half a bag, so there's plenty there. So the lovely guy who lives here, Dom, he's made us a brew. He's made us a brew. We're going to SBR it all first, or drop sheet first, SBR it all. Liam's mixing up the bonding as we speak so it can be drying. And that's another trick for you. If you know you've got loads of time to cut the walls and the reveals and things like that, you can get Liam to mix up straight away. Because by the time he's mixed, by the time I've cut, it still won't be set, but the time's ticking now, innit? So by the time I'm ready to actually dab, the dabbing will have been mixed. I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour. Another trick for you. Right, less waffle, more action. Right, drop sheet time. And we can find the end. This is great stuff. You want to get yourself some of this. I mean, it's so versatile. You can cover stuff with it, cover radiators with it. And like you say here, cover bifolds with it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to plaster this without getting plaster on these windows. I want it a bit lower than the actual. I'm going to try and work to there if I can. That's a bit high. Camera's on, mate. Get me a plasterboard out the van, mate. No, just take it out and lean it against the van. I'll cut it against the van. I think we've got some strips in the van. Can't think where they come from. We did a job. We had some decent, strips of board left. So rather than bin them, stick them in the van. What this stuff does, kind of, I think it must create a bit of static, you know what I mean? Next step, SBR. Now what I do is, I always keep my SBR in a tiling adhesive bucket. It doesn't have to be a tiling adhesive bucket, it could be anything. But I always keep a bit just ready to go. Maybe I should show you that, look. So I keep a brush in there and a roll, I just leave the brush like that. And then it's ready to go. Don't have to mix any, do you? What I want to do Just get some in that there. By the time we've had a brew, this will be ready, and then by the time I've cut my reveals, stick the reveals on. Possibly bed the beads on with a bit of adhesive, what's left. And when it's gone in about an hour, have an hour, and then skim it. Every time Liam goes in and out, bloody Alexa's on. Is it Alexa? I don't think it's Alexa. But whoever it is.
My day is just about to get worse.
Oh, shit. It's paper. It's paper. Man. Jesus, now we're in trouble. Better go and get the scrapers. Hope this scrapes off easy, or else that'll be set.
This paper really did cock me up today. Put about an hour and a half on the job. So no point more than right anyway. Let's just get it scraped off, and then we can get the reveals dabbed. Nightmare. But we're just getting on with it anyway. I don't know what happened. Me and Liam are scraping, and then we cross over, and then it's just a matter of let's just get it scraped off. We've had a couple of these lately where we've turned up and then there's paper on. Like, the customers are like, "Oh, I knew there was paper on. You just said I'd have stripped it off." Like,
right, we finally got the paper off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm on camera.
He's talking to his YouTube friends.
We finally got the paper off the reveals, so I'm going to SBR them again now. Oh, telling a lie. Find a little bit on the head here. So rather than wait until we've got all the paper off and then carry on, what I decided to do was get the paper off the reveals so I can dab the new boards on, the new reveals on. Because the stuff has been mixed all this time. Been mixed about 40 minutes.
Still soft.
Yeah. I've SBR'd this side, Liam. So you know. It's only so you don't double SBR it. This kid.
Float went under anyway.
Float will go under, this will go under your chin. Right, dabbing time. So what I'm doing is just putting a bit in the back there. And then I'll go over it and thicken it up. Looks lovely and thick, this, Liam. No. And what I'm trying to do is get that gap even. Square.
Triangle.
It's a set square.
It's the tri-square, not set square.
Oh. Oh.
Well, actually, no, that is a set square. Or speed square, if you will.
a speed square. So you can measure down to there, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5.
Oh. Whew. My football skills come in then.
What was that like?
Measure down off the coving. It's right,
None of the measurements match what
it is, it's bang on. It doesn't really matter if that doesn't match up because you can only do one thing or the other.
Well, I'll tell you what, the most important test, I'm stood here, look at it and it looks right.
You know what they say? If it looks right, it must be right.
There's no point having it square in it and it looking pissed, is it?
No. I think I just... Did you turn it off?
When you told me to. When you said turn the camera off, turn the camera off.
Go and get the level, Liam. The blue one. The Ox. The Ox Super Level. Yeah. Want some quality tools? Buy Ox. This video is not sponsored by Ox. Liam's just got a bit of paper to get off at the top, but the reveals are on. I'm just going to bead up now. I know what you're thinking, it's only just been dabbed, but I might be able to nail into this, or if not, I'll bed them on with a bit of adhesive. That's my plan anyway. Right, we're all ready. Beaded and SBR'd. All the paper's off. Liam's just going to have a tidy up and then he's going to mix up. Right, we are actually ready to go. That's stiffened up nice. As you can see, it's just changing colour, so it's set there. Liam's just mixing up. It's only a bit, but we're using this fast setting plaster.
Apparently it's on a bag of it in the van, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know if I want you to add a bit of water with that.
What, you want a bit more?
What do you think? Yeah, add a bit more. Better looking at it than looking for it.
Ooh, I love a time lapse. Time lapse live as well. I've not seen this yet. I'm literally editing and banging it on. Lovely. Thought I'd just do my voiceover while there's no one around. This is basically just me and Liam lashing it on. I know it was only small, but it didn't matter. It was fast set skimming, just wanted to get it on. And on grey plaster, it pulls like hell anyway. Could have done with another SBR really.
Right, that's it all lashed on. Liam's just gone for me finishing trowel.
I'm here, I'm back with it.
He's back with it. Tell you what,
I'm on to my second job now.
cameraman. No, you might have noticed there was grey plaster. For whatever reason, grey plaster is dry as anything. I SBR'd it twice and it's still just pulling a little bit.
It's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah. The best way we found is to SBR it, leave it, and then SBR it just before you skim it the next day. But But then there's like gloss paint or whatever here, which is causing a bit of an issue. It's not sticking.
Keep looking about it, like something else you can pull out the book.
What?
The book of excuses.
Oh, no excuses, kid. Got the ultimate excuse.
What?
Liam did it.
It's called passing the book.
Man, why am I struggling?
I think joking about it, make it out it's struggling, just such a small job. It's like a kind of karma, they thought, right, take it up this time.
What's happening is, where the paint is, it's wet, and where the grey burr plaster is, it's dry. You know what I mean? So it's just, at the minute, giving you that false sort of view that it's rough.
It's not rough right now, but it will be when you've gone over it. There's a bullet.
Right, the plumber's here, so I'll have to cut off.
No, I'll turn this off then, shall I?
Yeah. Cheers.
Same cook.
I recognise him. What's he been on? You on Dan's TV?
It's just me staring away.
Liam left the camera rolling, thought he could suss me out, tried to get a little joke in, had to get up earlier than that.
Right, that's the job all finished off.
You don't know, mate.
Done now, yeah.
Tell you that.
Quiet on set, I said, we're doing some filming. 3 times I've tried to film this. Right, done. Dusted.
She said, don't you have a dust sheet? There's a mess in here.
If you've liked the video, keep watching, like and subscribe, get in the comments, and I'll see you next week.